Hey! So today we're gonna use these plastic cups to make our own favorite space, like this, using small model elements.
こんにちは。今日はこの紙コップでこういう自分だけの空間を作っていきます。
The way of making models in Japan is very different from the way of making models in Europe, with very much details in interior and furniture. So I'm looking forward to. First, we start picking out on the first layer, underground.
じゃあタイルフロア。
Type floor. I go for yellow. So the chair is supposed to look a little bit like this. Classic wooden chair.
じゃあ私はこういうハイチェア作ります。
So there we have the first, the seat of the chair. For the legs and for the back of the chair, we use this wooden stick, thin wooden stick, 1 millimeter. So to glue, I use a toothpick to not get too much glue. Just put a little bit on the top.
ピンセットを使った方がやりやすいです。
But I just take this top part and put it down, and I glue everything while laying down. Ta-da! And I want a round desk. I don't like corners. If you want to make round corners, you can just cut the corner once and then cut the corners again. And then you get this round shape. We can either cut it or just pull it off like this. Small pieces like this. And for the pot, we use this kind of pearls. Maybe we go for the Oops. We already have a brown table, so we go for a blue pot. So.
バースカウンターのテーブルの上に乗せていきます。リーズ屋さんで売ってるやつを使ってます。ドアを作ります。